YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. Phenomenally useful etude. That's the reason why this is often chosen as one of the etudes of choice for all state competitions and things like that. So there's a good reason for it, because this etude offers a lot of really interesting moments for the right arm, for the left hand. So there's just a bouquet of really interesting things I think violinists need to learn. The etude itself is not very hard if you already done all the previous homework, if you played double stop studies of Wolfart, of Kaiser, of some don't exercises. Also, if you maybe have done exercises from the book Preparation for Kreutzer, this will be really helpful before you attempt this etude. Well, if you guys enjoyed the videos, please let me know, and I hope to see you on my Patreon site. It would be a great way to show your support. I would really appreciate that. The link is down below. Thank you very, very much.